Hi there, I'm Bianca, and in this video, I'm going to show you how RescueTime timesheets for solo users makes time tracking easy for freelancers, creators, and professionals. If you're tired of guessing where your day went, digging through email, or trying to remember what you worked on, Timesheets takes all of that off of your plate. It automatically tracks the apps, websites, and tools you use quietly in the background so your day is captured accurately without interrupting your flow. Here's what that looks like in real life. If you spend 9:12 to 10:35 working on a Figma design for a client, Timesheets automatically tracks that block of work. When you open your timeline, that entire session is waiting for you. You can drag the right project onto it and add notes if you want. And if you've added an autocomplete hint like Figma, Timesheets will automatically assign the right project for you, and it learns more about you as you use it. You're always in control because you can show or hide anything on your timeline with a single click. Minutes of effort instead of hours of guesswork. You get a clean daily timeline that shows exactly what you worked on, a simple drag and drop interface to organize everything, and auto-completion that fills in your projects automatically. No timers, no switching tools, no forgetting what you did. You can track multiple clients, export reports for invoicing, and keep all of your billable time accurate without ever having to manually track it. If you want time tracking that works with your day instead of interrupting it, Timesheets makes it simple. RescueTime Timesheets, accurate work captured automatically.